Hello everyone. Let's talk about the struct output for both agent framework, Openai SDK, as well as the LangGraph one. One of the biggest challenges that I have seen so far is that sometimes LLM that does not output something as described in the prompt. That's why this struct output can be very beneficial in many cases. Let's see how to use it together. In this case, I'll do a comparison between OpenAI's LangGraph. For the first, the easy one, I have created a simple person model. It's a name. It has a name, age, gender, height, or weight. I create my OpenAI agent here. You pass a name, system prompt, use a model. This is the important part. And this is how you use the struct output. You pass the class to this output type so that the result of this agent one will be exactly the pedantic model that you're going to see. So I have this case, this is my response. I'm going to run this agent. I'm Paul, I'm 25 years old, and then this is my information. And also I'm going to show you the result from this agentic run. Let's see the result. As you can see, I print the answer here. Answer is just nothing but this uh, the information extracted from this text. As you can see, it's converted to inches already for you. And also this data type, it's a person data type, and also it's the object representation. As you can see, it's a pedantic model. So this is an easy one. Let's take a look at how to use the structure output for the line graph. For the line graph, you need to create a model first. Similarly, you need to have your class here, and I'm using a React agent uh, package here. I'm not using the LLM output. Mm, You can also instruct LLM to have the struct output. We can do another video about that. And here I'm passing the system prompt. This is a human message. Give the input. Let's see the result also. As you can see, it's taking a bit longer, but it's getting the result. So this is basically how you use the struct output. Let's take a look of a more real, uh, like a real customer use case one. This is way much more um, complex. So I'm defining this model here. I have a cake, I have a customer, I have an order list. Imagine you are running a business, bakery business, and then you have an order taking system that is taking orders from your customer, and you want to build an agent to make the order. This is like prototyping about how to resolve this issue. For the cake, you have the size, ingredients, and the special notes. And for the customer, you have the name, phone, address, and the list of the cake. So I'm passing this cake to here. And then I'm getting another layer up, order list, number of orders and orders. This is tracking the number of orders. I'm tracking this uh, customer from here. So you don't have to do that, but this is just for the past purpose. Similarly, I'm creating my agent. I'm passing the nested layers of layers of model to the output type. And for this is very likely going to be your like order taking node or list or something. So I use ChatGPT to generate some scenario for me. Uh, One thing to mention is that some orders, some customers, um, some customers are not ordering just one cake, but many cakes. That is the reason why I'm using a list here instead of just one cake. So I'm taking here's a 5 example. Yeah, I'm giving the entire thing to the give the entire thing to this called the input order, and let's take a run. This time it's taking a bit longer. Oh, it's up. So that's the result. It's doing a pretty good job. We can have some spot check together. So the name, the phone number, the address, and the cake, and the special note. Yeah, it's doing a pretty good job. Let's take a look at another one. Let's take a look at the line graph one. This is all similar, not similar. It's just the same, and they use the same React agent taking the order list, and yeah, this is the uh, line graph one to run this code. Let's run it together. You can see this time is taking very longer, very much. I think it's longer than the OpenAI one. Okay, result is up. Let's take a look this doing some spot check. Compare that with the OpenAI one. Yeah, I think this is also doing a good job. But as you can tell, the time that is spent for the LangGraph one, it's much longer than the OpenAI one. Another thing I have noticed that it's not reflecting in this video. Sometimes if you have a super complex model, you want to do the output struct, LangGraph cannot do it properly. It will throw some exception errors. You have to have some instruction in the prompt telling LLM, hey, this is the struct output I want to have. Please output the answer in this format, in this schema. Yeah, that's today's share. Thanks for watching.